Thailand's new traffic point system. Starting January 9th, 2023, the Royal Thai Police and the Land Transport Department will enforce a demerit point system to curb traffic violations and dangerous driving in the hope of increasing drivers' discipline on Thailand's infamous deadly roads. Each driving license holder will be given 12 points, and they will be deducted for each violation they are caught committing. Point deductions are divided into 4 levels, depending on the severity of the violation. 1 point will be deducted for 1. Using a cell phone while driving. 2. Not wearing a crash helmet on a motorcycle. 3. Not fastening the seatbelt. 4. Exceeding the speed limit. 5. Riding motorcycles on the pavement. 6. Failing to stop for pedestrians at zebra crossings. 7. Not giving way to emergency vehicles. 8. Reckless driving. 9. Driving without a license plate or with the license plate covered and not showing road tax sign. 10. Driving with unpaid traffic tickets. 11. Failing to obey traffic signs. 12. Failing to produce a driving license when asked to do so by the police. 13. Parking in no parking areas. 14. Not staying to the left lane while driving. 2 points will be deducted for 1. Driving on the wrong side of the road. 2. Driving on a suspended or revoked license. 3. Failing to stop at traffic lights. 3 points will be deducted for 1. If drivers are found to be incompetent. 2. Commit a hit and run. 3. Driving without due care and attention. 4 points will be deducted for 1. Drunk driving. 2. Driving while under the influence of narcotics. 3. Driving without regard for the safety of others. Drivers who have all the 12 points deducted will have their driving licenses suspended for 90 days. If, however, they continue to drive, they could face 3 months in jail and/or a fine of 100,000 baht. If a driver has had their license suspended 3 times in 3 years, they will have all their licenses revoked if their license is suspended for a 4th time. Points will be automatically returned after 1 year. If only 6 points are left, the driver can attend a training course arranged by the Land Transport Department to restore points. Questions and concerns. Will this system be policed automatically by networked CCTV, using traffic stops, or both? How do you enforce a point system on a very large, unlicensed population? How does this system apply to an international driving permit, or IDP? How do rental car businesses fight a CCTV fine for a driver of a rental car who has turned in the car in question? What is meant by incompetent? Who will determine competency? Here is some feedback from several readers of this article.